This footage captures a hazardous incident involving a chef during a busy morning shift. After an ingredient is added to a pot on a gas stove, a massive fireball erupts, spreading quickly across the kitchen. In a moment of panic, the chef attempts to extinguish the flames with a basin of water, which causes the fire to flare up even more violently, putting everyone at great risk. This video serves as a vital reminder of proper fire safety protocols. Never use water on a grease fire, as it causes an explosive reaction. Instead, every kitchen should be equipped with a Class K fire extinguisher, and staff must be trained on how to use it. If a fire starts, stay calm, turn off the gas supply if safe, and use a fire blanket. If the fire is not contained immediately, evacuate and call 911. A recent video circulating on social media highlights a high-risk incident at a gas station. The footage captures two workers performing maintenance on a scaffolding unit when it suddenly loses stability and collapses, causing both individuals to fall. Fortunately, reports indicate that no serious injuries occurred. Yet this serves as a critical reminder of the hazards associated with working at heights. To maintain a safe environment, protocols like wearing proper PPE, including hard hats and safety harnesses, must never be overlooked. Furthermore, thorough equipment inspections and comprehensive training are mandatory for all personnel. This incident is a wake-up call for the industry to prioritize safety protocols and stay vigilant, ensuring every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. This video provides a critical look at the importance of adhering to safety protocols during lifting operations. A forklift operator and a supervisor appear to have overlooked fundamental safety measures, leading to a significant falling load incident. Key issues include the operator's improper positioning, which created a high-risk line of fire situation, and the supervisor standing too close to the active lifting zone. Furthermore, a lack of clear communication and coordination between the two contributed to the mishap. This highlights the urgent need for comprehensive training, including forklift certification, the establishment of no-go zones, and standardized signaling. Prioritizing strict compliance with safety regulations is essential for incident prevention and maintaining a secure workplace environment for everyone. In this footage, a high-stakes incident unfolds at a construction site during a gas line repair. While a worker uses an angle grinder to cut an old pipe, sparks suddenly ignite a hidden gas leak, creating a massive fireball that puts everyone at risk. Fortunately, on-site firefighters reacted with incredible speed, deploying extinguishers to suppress the flames while the crew evacuated. Thanks to their professional intervention, no injuries occurred, but the event serves as a chilling reminder of how quickly things can go wrong. This highlights why strict safety protocols, thorough pre-work inspections, and leak detection are non-negotiable. Always ensure proper fire suppression tools are within reach and never cut corners on labor safety regulations. They are there to save lives. Security footage from a large warehouse recently captured a critical safety incident involving a fall from height. The video shows a worker climbing a long aluminum ladder to retrieve items from a high shelf without essential safety gear, such as a harness or helmet. As the worker reached for a package, the ladder lost its footing and slipped, causing a fall from a significant height and a severe impact on the concrete floor. Nearby colleagues acted quickly to contact emergency services. This footage serves as a powerful reminder that occupational safety protocols are non-negotiable. When using ladders, ensure stability on level surfaces and always wear required PPE. No task is so urgent that it justifies bypassing safety procedures. Prioritize your well-being by following guidelines. While performing a routine task, a worker climbed onto a load of sacks on a flatbed truck to secure a tarp, but unfortunately lost their footing and fell from a height of approximately 10 feet. The individual struck the side of the vehicle before hitting the ground, prompting nearby colleagues to rush to their aid. This incident highlights the critical importance of maintaining fall protection standards and always using appropriate harnesses at elevated heights. To prevent such accidents, personnel should utilize dedicated ladders or scaffolding rather than climbing directly on cargo. Additionally, implementing spotter protocols ensures a supervisor is present to provide guidance. Ultimately, Comprehensive safety training is essential for identifying hazards. Workplace incidents occur in an instant when protocols are overlooked. Staying vigilant is the only way to protect yourself and your team. This footage captures a catastrophic fire and explosion at a gas storage facility. The video begins with an employee performing routine checks on cylindrical gas canisters when a sudden fire breaks out and rapidly spreads to the surrounding inventory. Intense heat and pressure trigger a chain reaction of explosions, resulting in massive fireballs and thick plumes of smoke that engulf the warehouse. Employees are seen evacuating the danger zone as the scale of the blaze proves too overwhelming for portable extinguishers. While the cause remains under investigation, the footage serves as a stark reminder of the risks associated with volatile materials. This incident highlights the critical importance of strict safety protocols and rigorous industrial compliance in the storage and handling of flammable gases to protect both property and personnel. This footage captures a chaotic moment on a job site involving a power trowel operator. While smoothing out a fresh pour, the worker lost control of the equipment, causing him to slip on the wet surface. In a split-second reaction, he gripped the handle tightly as he fell, which caused the high-speed machine to spin uncontrollably and drag him across the floor. This incident serves as a stark reminder of how quickly things can go wrong with heavy machinery. To prevent such mishaps, professional contractors emphasize staying focused and maintaining a balanced stance. It is also crucial to inspect equipment daily, ensuring the automatic shutoff switch is functional, and to wear high-traction footwear to prevent slips. Adhering to strict safety protocols is essential to minimize risks and ensure everyone remains safe throughout the shift. In this video, a crew is moving a large crate into a trailer when the truck unexpectedly pulls away from the loading dock. Due to the sudden gap between the warehouse floor and the trailer, the heavy cargo and equipment lose their footing, pulling the operator into the opening. This incident was entirely preventable with strict safety protocols. First, always chock the wheels or use vehicle restraints to lock the trailer in place. Second, establish clear driver-to-dock communication. A truck must never move until a formal all-clear is given. Workers should also be trained in emergency procedures to avoid being pulled down by falling machinery. Finally, active supervision is key to catching errors before they happen. Never bypass safety checks to save time. In an industrial setting, a split-second oversight can lead to life-altering consequences. Stay alert and stay safe. This footage documents a critical safety failure during a standard loading procedure when a vehicle unexpectedly pulled away from the dock. As the dock leveler was still deployed, a gap opened, causing the equipment and operator to lose stability and fall into the opening. To prevent such incidents, strict protocols must be enforced. Wheels must be chocked or secured with automatic restraints, and clear driver-to-dock communication is mandatory before any movement. Workers should be trained in emergency release protocols to avoid being caught by shifting machinery, and active supervision should oversee all dock transitions. This analysis serves as an educational reminder that speed should never come at the expense of safety, as a single skip check can lead to permanent consequences.